Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at PerfectGardens.com. Today we're going to be talking about Grow Big from Foxfarm as a standalone product. If you are using this product with all of the Foxfarm products, including liquid and dry or just liquid, or any of the other products, please reference the other video talking about how to use all of these products together and all of our suggestions. Remember, this video is just for people to use this product as a standalone product because this product is being sold at big box stores and more people are gaining access to the product through big box stores versus just hydro stores. So remember, this video is for just the general user. The original product that Foxfarm came out with was Big Bloom. Although after a while, obviously their customers requested something a little bit stronger because Big Bloom is just bat guano and earthworm castings. Grow Big though is a synthetic fertilizer, just to be totally aware of this. And it's more on the nitrogen side, so it's 644. You're going to be using this product more in the vegetative growth or early stages of the plant and mid. Don't be using this product in the later stages of your flowering unless you are following their nutrient feed or unless you're totally familiar with your plants and you feel comfortable in using it other than what I'm suggesting on this video. It is important to remember to store Grow Big out of the sun, out of direct heat, and make sure that you don't accidentally spill anything inside of Grow Big, because if the pH gets adjusted in any way, you will see solids begin to fall out of solution. The nutrients won't be good really anymore. So, and they can just tell you that right here, a low pH to maintain stability and storage and keep micronutrients available. That's basically what it means. This product is available from the pint all the way up to a 250-gallon tote. So if you're a larger grower and if you are interested in these larger totes, make sure to check out our membership program because that's going to save you the maximum amount of money going direct to the manufacturers and getting the wholesale pricing. Okay, so how to use this? For generalized feeding, you're going to be using 1 to 3 teaspoons per gallon, so 10 to 15 mLs per gallon every other watering. So remember, you give the generalized feeding and then you're going to give watering and then you're going to give another feeding and water. You're going to follow that process until your plants begin to go into flowering. Or you just go to a heavy feeding once a week where you give it once a week and then you continue your watering process for another 2 or 3 times depending upon your area and obviously how hot your environment is and how much water your plant uptake. You can use this product as a foliar feed program as a half teaspoon per gallon. And remember, if you are using this as a drip irrigation, you're going to want to follow the manufacturer's instructions that I'm going to list down below. Available sizes are pint, quart, gallon, 2.5, 5, 15, 55, and 250 gallon. Remember, this product, whether you're using it as a standalone or not, if you are someone that wants a decent fertilizer, you don't really care whether it's 100% organic, and you want to keep it simple enough where you're going to be able to get away with just using basically a grow and a bloom, which if you can imagine Foxfarm having a part A grow and a part B for bloom and keeping it just very simple, Grow Big would be their part A for grow. Once again, if you're someone that just wants to keep it really simple, have one thing, one bottle for your plants and you just have it for your entire crop, whether you're growing potatoes, whether you're growing corn, whether you're growing strawberries, you can actually use Grow Big and it will do the job. Thank you so much. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great grow, guys.